Hello friends, this is Sandra here from whimsydreamsclipart.com and Wallifyer.com. In this tutorial we are going to create a Mother's Day card that you design in Canva, and you can print it at home or at a printing service of your choice. Well, if you love this channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it really helps. And let's get started. First of all, we go to canva.com. If you're not yet a member of Canva or you got the Canva app, please check out the link in the description below. I am an affiliate because I love Canva so much. I use it every day. Go to create a design up in the right corner here and click create a design. And then we just write Mother's Day card. We collapse this menu. First of all, we apply a background to this card. So click on the card itself and then this little background color tool here. And now we are going to apply a wonderful sky blue color for this card. Go to new color. And you find this hex code or this code that you write into this little bar here in the description as well. Now we're going to apply a beautiful watercolor wreath from the latest pack from whimsydreamsclipart.com, and you find a link below in the description as well. And don't forget to sign up for the newsletter because you get a 20% coupon code. So just so you know. But if you have other wreaths that you love, feel free to use them, and you find some wreaths also in the elements section here in Canva. But for now we are staying with the Midsummer Magic Pack. First of all, I download the Midsummer pack from the whimsydreamsclipart.com shop, and then I store it in my computer. Then I go to Uploads and Upload Media here and Device. Then I go to the Midsummer Magic Pack and I choose PNG because they have transparent background. For this design I'm going with number 1, so double click that one. Now you see here how it uploads to Canva. You see this little watery thing here. Just wait and see what's happening. It's quite large files, so it can take a while. Then we drag this wreath into the design like this. And now we want to apply a text as well to this card, so go to text. And here we skrive Mother's Day card. Here we have Happy Mother's Day, so just drag it into the design. Place it in the middle of the design. And I'm going to change this to a brown color because I just love brown colors. And you find the hex code for this beautiful brown color in the description below as well. Of course, you change the text here so it applies to your family or your mother. It's super easy. You just triple click on the text blocks and go in and edit the text. It's really easy, like this. I think the wreath is a little bit too harsh, so I have a little trick up my sleeve. You go to this checkboard kind of icon here, transparency tool, and click it. And now we are going to make it a little bit more transparent like this. And double click it as well and drag it a little bit to place it perfectly in the middle like that. And ta-da, now you have your new fancy quick Happy Mother's Day card that your mom will love, I'm sure. Now you print this at home in your printer, or you can also send it to an online printing service. You go to download up here in the bar, and then you go to PDF print, It's important that you have PDF print. If you want crop marks and bleed, add that one, and download. This is how the final card looks like. And here you can see you can crop the card so it will have crisp and clear edges as well. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and that you have a fab time creating a card for your mom. And remember to subscribe to my channel, it really helps and you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye!